First things first, I appreciate your support. I'm back. So this is an LG 85 washer dryer that is not draining water, so we need to drain manually and get it fixed. So ensure it is unplugged from power. Very dirty smelling water. The machine is also messed up. Very dirty. So we're going to drain it from here. So unfortunately, there's always a pipe here that you can drain water. That is used for draining water manually before you open the main filter. But unfortunately, I think it's in there. When they worked on this, they didn't pull it out. So unfortunately, we have to manually remove the water. I'm going to use a bucket and a small tin to remove the water. I'm doing this because the floor is wooden, so I don't want to affect the floor. Then I'm going to slowly empty this area. I'm going to slowly empty water on this towel so it will absorb the water. So I'll open, then close, open, then close. I need this towel to absorb the water. Smelling. Remove that. Left it here. Almost done. So in there's no blockage. All the water has come out, but the machine won't drain. So basically, if you unblock, water comes out, but there's nothing in there, then you have to replace the drain pump. So we squeeze this towel here to remove all the water. We dry this, and then for an LG, you can't flip it over, so we'll remove the front panel. So going to remove the dispenser. It's quite dirty, guys. Always remember to clean the dispenser. So remove this screw here. There's another one here, and then there's one here, the other one there, to remove the top panel. Then we remove this panel here. So 1, 2, 3, and then we remove this spring, the spring that holds this, and then we remove this. There's a screw here that holds this plastic stuff. So you can unplug this here, or just flip this over here. Then before we remove this and this, we locate the spring. This is the spring. Then we pull this out using a flat screwdriver. Locate it, it's here. That, and then we pull this, we push this inside, close the door, then this and this and the other one there. Before that, we remove this plastic by moving this screw here. That one. Then we pull this out. Then we'll open this. Once you remove all the screws, hold here and pull this out. I just put it aside, or unplug this. This is the door switch. Remove the door switch. And now this is the drain area. So you need to access the pump. This is the pump. So before that, to get enough space, I'm going to remove the motherboard, pull it aside, open this screw here and this one. Once you remove the screws, I'm going to pull this out. See, it's holds here, it's clipped here and here, so you're just going to pull it this side. Put it aside, ensure there is no water. And then you're going to remove this. So for LG, it's easier. I'll unscrew this one here, and then remove this using a pliers. Open these 3 screws and pull